1, 2, buckle your shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, get your crucifix. 'Cause I am about to come back and tell you what the fuck is wrong with the problems that I have with you. And it's called, I'm about to pay you back for the bullshit on these tracks and this shit that you call the life you're living, dog. I don't want you no more, I don't want you, I don't need you. You need to see that I don't fucking give a damn. I'll blast your motherfucking best friend in the goddamn face, bitch, with an AK, bitch. And I'll slap you with my dick, bitch, when you're laying there dead, laughing at your mama's head, laying on the back of the ground. And I'm not smiling now because damn, that bitch is turned the fuck out. Need to know why we so sick in the goddamn mind? It's all because there was a place inside where we had to go hide because everything around us was just horrid and horrible. We were hungry, we were left alone on the floor. No home, no friends, no kin, nobody around, no basics, no mentals, no exams, potential. It's menial, you see, in my head. I can't take it no more, I want to be dead. I fucking hate this place and I'm about to show everybody that when I get my payback, I'm gonna take out everybody. I'm gonna take them to the mall, buy them all designer clothes for every one of y'all, so I can lay you down and you look good for your mama, bro. When you're laying there with your 10 toes pointed to the sky, bro. I don't want to see you looking pitiful. I'll clean you up, I'll fuck you up, and then I'll bury your ass so quick and fast and not give a damn. Cause your mama, she's alright with me, bro, because I don't know, we just tight like that because I rhyme like this and she just likes my tracks. And I talked about your mama, bro. Payback is one thing that you will never get on me because I ain't fucking around, bitch. I see everything, eyes wide closed. Look at me, bro, no peeking over goddamn shoulder, ho. I got this life, I want this motherfucking money. This shit is fucking priceless. I don't need anything but the limelight, maybe a few bottles of liquor, some goddamn wine for these bitch ass niggas that just like the wine. I got cheese for that. You want a bitch nigga come back? Motherfucker, get some motherfucking payback. Motherfucking payback. Motherfucking payback. Motherfucking payback. Need that back pay, need it all, man. Need everything. You can pay me over, man. I ain't fucking Drake. I don't give a shit. I want everything. Every penny, every cent, every dollar, every motherfucking whore on the corner. I need it all. I don't need you because, you know what? You're not anything. You're nothing. You're a simple little piece of shit that doesn't give a fuck. Yeah, right, you don't care. Is that what you say? Are you aware that you're such a damn fucking short ass beat? Fucking sucks.